Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. Today I'm back with Miss Aria, and today we're going to be doing a 3D split braid. So without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, to start this braid, you're just going to split it in three like you're going to do a regular 3-strand braid. Now I'm going to take the leftmost piece and I'm going to split it in the middle. And I'm going to pull the middle strand through and then reconnect the strand that I just split. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to split that right strand, reach through, grab the middle strand, pull it through, and then reconnect. This is what makes it a split braid, because you're splitting the hair as you put it through. And when we're done, you're going to see the really cool 3D effect it has. So you're just going to continue doing this until you get to the bottom of the hair, just splitting the side sections and pulling the middle sections through, reconnecting, and going on to the next side. Just repeat these steps all the way to the end of the braid. Now that we've reached the end of the hair, just going to secure it with a small elastic. And there you have your 3D split braid. So see how it has the really cool 3D effect? It's almost like a box on all four sides. I have a video already on the channel with a 4-strand 3D braid. This is similar, just a little different technique. So that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I think this hairstyle is great for all ages. It's a cute, fun take on your regular braid. I think the way we've done it on her hair is great for young girls like her. And if you wanted to make it on yourself or a teenager, you could do like a cute side braid, a soft side braid.
Soft braid? I like that one.
She likes soft braids. But it's really cute and fun and just a different take on your regular 3-strand braid. We really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below.
Look, I made a heart.
Good job.
I learned how to make a heart.